How to read deleted message on WhatsApp. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now, in order to do so, you have to go on WhatsApp. As you see on the WhatsApp, there will be some messages, and if someone had deleted the messages, and if he had deleted the messages after the backup period, then you will be able to see a simple trick, and then you will be able to see these messages. Now you have to go on your WhatsApp and you have to uninstall it from here. You have to uninstall it from here by pressing on uninstall. As you uninstall the WhatsApp from your directory, then you have to reinstall it by going on the Play Store. After you have uninstalled it, and then you have to go on the files option, and in the file also you have to go on the internal storage, and in the internal storage, if you are using an Android, you will be able to go on Android option, and in the Android option you have to go on data. So some of the things are in data, but if it is not in data, then you have to go on media option. As you click on the media option, then you have to go on the WhatsApp. So there will be an option of com.whatsapp. As you click on com.whatsapp, and then there will be WhatsApp option. Now over here you will be able to see WhatsApp backups. Now you have to locate the chat backup or chat settings backup. There is a chat settings backup, and then there is a commerce backups and all kind of backups over here. Now you have to locate the best backup over here. So as you reinstall the app, and then you locate the best app backup over here and click on the backup, then you have to search and open it with WhatsApp, and then you will be able to see the messages that are deleted. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.